Albert Einstein said, "Imagination is everything. It is a preview of life's coming attraction." This is beautiful, but how many of us live according to this quote? But then, most of the world's greatest movers had a vision of what it is to become in their mind. They created something inside their mind first, and then stepped out into the real world and shaped the world according to their vision. I want to give you 7 insights on how you dramatically improve your happiness and help you achieving success in any area of your life, if you apply them. Firstly, you are the results of the decision that you've made in the past. Who you are today, the challenges you face or successes you enjoy are the results of what you have done in the past. Take responsibility for the choices you have made. Too many people avoid this, but it is so important. Learn from them and move on. Let go of the mistakes. Let go of the negative emotions, but don't lose the lessons of the events. Don't focus on the pain of your past. Focus on your purpose for the future. This frame of mind alone can turn your life around. I know it did it for me. What are you pondering in your head, day in, day out? What are your thoughts you hold in your mind? Do you like these thoughts actually? Earl Nightingale said that you become what you think about all day. Considering this, what is your focus day in and day out? A driver driving a car toward a certain destination is focusing on the direction he goes and looks ahead when he reaches a curve. What do you think would happen if you were to look into another direction instead of that? So stubbornly focus on achieving success and be specific with your goals. Thirdly, your success is determined to a large part by the people you hang out with, the movies you watch, the shows you enjoy on Netflix, and the YouTube channels you subscribe to. So surround yourself with successful, positive people. Decide whom you want to meet in the time you have available. Attend business and personal development seminars to find the right people. Who are the people you spend the most time with? What are their goals, values, and priorities? Do they have any goals? People say that you are an average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Don't complain about your life if you spend most of your waking time in situations that don't develop you, that don't bring you closer to your goals, or actually sabotage your dreams. Look around you and figure out if what you do and whom you hang out with is really supportive of your goals and in alignment with your life's values and beliefs. Fourthly, invest in yourself. Spend money on books that support your personal and professional development. Invest in seminars, webinars, conferences, and training that kickstart your personal and professional development, not just to reaffirm who you are already, but push you toward your future goal. So be careful in this area. And again, check if all of this is in alignment with your dreams and goals. Fifthly, learn to manage your mind. Become aware of what's going on inside of it. Listen to your self-talk. Do you like what you hear? If not, learn to reprogram and re-engineer your mind. Become aware of the rubbish that is inside of there and take a purposeful step toward making positive changes. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. To reprogram your mind with positive thoughts, spend a few minutes upon awakening, reading inspirational literature or something related to the field you are passionate about. Do the same thing within the last hour before bedtime. The subconscious mind is most open to suggestions in the first hour upon awakening and that last hour before going to bed. Sixthly, and this might sound weird, but make it a habit to give yourself a pep talk whenever you have time available. Talk positive to yourself under the shower, on the toilet, in the car when you're going to work. At first you will feel embarrassed and ridiculous, but this technique is very, very powerful. Some people choose to stand in front of a mirror and talk to themselves positively with emotions over and over again. Saying it with emotion will help your dream manifest itself more quickly. Seventhly, overcome procrastination. Most people procrastinate doing something because they fear it or they feel they are not good enough to master it. Get over it. The problem is that we have learned in school that we need to achieve perfect scores in the tests or examinations. Get over it. Your dreams will never materialize if you don't take action. The more you think about what you should do, and procrastinate, the harder it is to get started and your anxiety is compounded. Think how much better, lighter, and more confident you'll feel when it's complete. When you've done all of this, you are on your way. Celebrate your successes and reward yourself for even small accomplishments and the steps and actions that you have taken. All work and no play serves as a demotivator. The larger the success, the larger the reward. Have you ever noticed how much you accomplish right before a vacation? You are looking forward to that reward and you don't want to think about it when you are on vacation. Do the same thing with these simple steps. Apply them. Work on them. Focus on your dreams, not the fear. The price of success is huge, but the price of regret is worse. Believe in yourself and increase your desire for success. And now do it. And if you are ready, access our free online course, Attract Success into Your Life. You can find the link in the description below. It is a short course, but it contains many of the elements mentioned above. And once you are through it, you get a free ebook on mind development. Of course, it would be a pleasure to see you in our Certified NLP Practitioner and Timeline Therapy Practitioner course. In this course, you are working on your goals and learn to manage your emotions, destroy limiting beliefs, and remove negative behaviors. You learn about yourself and take the steps to become the one you deserve and desire to become when you develop the real you, the one that you truly deserve to be. Send an email to andreas.dorn@gmail.com to find out more about how NLP can help you too. And check out our website at www.asharemindDynamics.com now to find out more. And I look forward to speaking with you soon.